Understanding grinding gears, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, grinding gears. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English learners, so I'm here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. The phrase, grinding gears, is an idiom in English, which means it doesn't take its literal meaning. When gears grind, it's usually because they're not working smoothly together. Similarly, when someone says they're grinding gears, they mean they're experiencing frustration or irritation, especially because something is not happening as smoothly as they would like. This idiom comes from the world of machinery, where gears need to fit and move smoothly together. If they don't, they grind against each other, causing a jarring and unpleasant noise. This imagery perfectly captures the feeling of annoyance or frustration, which is why it's used in this context. 1. I've been grinding gears all day trying to get my computer to work. 2. The constant noise from next door is really grinding my gears. 3. He's been grinding gears over the new policy changes at work. In these examples, the phrase is used to express frustration over something not working smoothly or causing irritation. Other idioms with similar meanings include rubbing me the wrong way, getting on my nerves, driving me up the wall. These expressions also convey feelings of irritation or frustration. That's it for our exploration of the phrase, grinding gears. I hope this video has made the meaning clear and you feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and colorful part of language learning, so don't be afraid to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.